Hello guys, so today I'm gonna quickly show you how to do when you receive this message, this phone number is banned. This is the only way to solve this problem, so follow these steps. So if this message displays in your phone, the first step is select help. After that it should be redirect you to this predefined template. As you can see, it contains all your information, your device information. You just have to click send and just wait for the response after a couple of days. If this is not the case and you don't have this template, it's pretty simple and easy. Just go to Chrome, search for Telegram support, click the first search. As you can see, this is the support form. Make sure to fill it all. Please make it concise and clear. Type like me, help I can't log in, it displays this phone number is banned or something like that. Make sure to put all your real informations like your full name, your email address so can they contact you, and your real phone number that you're logging in with. After that, click submit. As you can see, if it displays like the green section, it means that the mail is successfully sent and they will get back to you soon as possible. That's it. Make sure you subscribe and see you on the next one.